In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Ethereum to a Phantom wallet. First off, let's make sure that Phantom is open and ready for action. Once you've opened the Phantom wallet, wallet, you'll need to log into your account. It's important to verify that you're logged in, so you're on the correct account when you're handling your cryptocurrencies. When you reach your homepage within the Phantom wallet, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You should see your balance and the tokens you currently hold displayed clearly on this page. Now, to get the required address for receiving Ethereum, we're going to locate and click on the Receive button. This action will provide us with the Ethereum address we need. By clicking Receive, you'll be directed to a section where Ethereum is among the options listed. You'll want to click on Ethereum to see your wallet address specific to this cryptocurrency. Once you have this in front of you, find the Copy Address button and click it. Now you've copied the Ethereum address, which is vital for directing the Ethereum you'll receive into your wallet safely. This address can be sent to whoever plans on sending you Ethereum tokens. Ensure they have it correctly to avoid any transfer mishaps. If you're the one planning to send Ethereum from this wallet, let's navigate back to the homepage of your Phantom wallet. Once back on the home interface, find and click the Send button. This is the point at which the process slightly shifts gears, as now you're directing the outbound Ethereum transactions. Select Ethereum as your token of choice for sending. You'll see a field where you can paste the Ethereum address that you copied earlier or any other valid address you're sending to. After pasting the destination address, input the amount of Ethereum you'd like to send. It's crucial here to double-check both the address and the amount to prevent errors. Once you've entered the desired amount, click Next and follow the on-screen prompts to complete your transaction. The prompts will guide you through any confirmations needed to ensure the transaction is finalized. Remember, handling cryptocurrencies requires careful attention to detail to keep everything secure and accurate. By following these steps, you'll be able to send Ethereum